to Jeju. Just in case you guys want to know, if you live in Hongdae and you're by Honggi Ipgu, you can take the train and go directly to Gippo Airport. So that's what we're doing. Just made it inside the plane and we're gonna take off soon. See you guys there. We just landed. It took about an hour. It was a really rough landing, to be honest. And yeah, we're sponsored by Evian. Just kidding. They don't. Evian doesn't know who I am. We're now going on the bus to get our car.
So if you get off Jeju, you'll see like a rental car. As a non-vlogger, I don't know what to do.
It's a bit windy here in Jeju Island. And now we're heading north.
Oh, it's pretty near.
Right now we're walking in a waterfall in Jeju. I'll put the name right here, but it's so beautiful. What's the name of it? She's going back to look.
Cheonjiyeon Waterfall.
Okay.
Waterfall is waterfall. Cheonjiyeon is Cheonjiyeon. Yeah.
There's another souvenir store here. Some more pouches. These cute little hats with a little leaf on it. Got it out of this souvenir shop, the one that I just showed you, and I actually did end up buying some stuff. We're leaving the waterfall, but we recommend coming here. It's really nice. It's so picturesque. And I think if you came on a sunny day, it would be even more beautiful.
But
yeah.
it's considered very good because it's monsoon season right now.
So I think overall it was very, very, very gorgeous and just so serene and peaceful. And if you wanted to take your mind off of life,
Yeah.
you just come here.
So
right now we're on our way to the Innisfree Green Cafe. We should be arriving there soon. At the cafe they also have a little garden that you can look at.
And I think at the cafe they have
Okay, I think it's closed. It's definitely closed.
Yeah, it's closed. No.
But this is a view of the green tea bushes. There's another tea area, like cafe, that you can go to.
Ready? Why do we always clash? But okay, currently we're heading to Mangjanggul Cave. Apparently it's one of the world's largest lava tube, and like majority of the tubes.
Currently going to Mangjanggul Cave, right?
Mangjanggul. Bro.
Okay.
Mangjanggul.
Okay, we're currently going to
Manjang.
We're currently going to Mangjanggul Cave.
No one see it? Okay.
Hi everyone, so we're currently going to Mangjanggul Caves. It has one of the biggest lava tubes in the world, so that's super exciting, and we're super excited to have you guys on this journey. So yeah, I'll start filming when we get there. Anyway, so this is our tattoos. Wait, I actually don't have too much memory left. Okay, bye, love you. We're here at the cave. We're a little bit late, so it's like 4:40 something, and the cave, the last cave, is at 5. Like you can go in at 5. So yeah, this is the walk in. She's a vlogger too.
Adult price.
I'm a vlogger too.
Oh, it's so cold. Oh, it's cold. It's cold. I'm loving it.
I feel like I'm gonna fall.
Oh my god, it's really cold. Dad, Anthony. Oh my god, it's so cold.
Okay, it's actually really hard to see. Okay, we arrived to the end of the cave. I don't know if you can see it too well, but it's like this figure that's like coming down from the ceiling. And it's a bunch of rocks. Okay, we just finished at the caves, and it was very long and very bumpy. So yeah, and cold. It's very cold. Would I recommend going? No, but if you have ankle problems, I don't think you should go. Yeah.
Oh my.
Wait, you guys, the beach. Look at it, it's beautiful. Oh my god, I'm so excited. It's beautiful. Sorry. Back to scheduled programming. They recommend going. It's a tourist attraction, but yeah. We're going to this taco and wings roadside place. We're super excited. But you guys, look at this ocean. It's so beautiful. Oh my god, look. It's a horse and carriage. The guy riding. It's Cinderella. It's Cinderella, yes. Okay, so we ordered some fries. They got some wings. And we also got tacos. Okay, I got the veggie tacos. There's some pineapple and some guac and some tomatoes. It's good. It's very simple. I'm trying cocktail for the first time. It's dark beer and it has like cinnamon around the rim. So I'm gonna try a sip. The cinnamon is good. I don't know how I feel about the beer. Not horrible though. Hamdeok Beach again because we loved it so much. It's so pretty because you can see the sunset too. We went down the street at Jeju and look how cute these little shops are. Oh, really? Like it's so cool. So pretty.
Bestie bracelet.
We got matching bracelets because we're besties. Now I'm on my way to Jeju and it's a vegan cafe. So we're going there so I can get something to eat and then they're gonna go and get something to eat too. Wait, why are you laughing?
You know how it's so funny that I do it too, but I always laugh at you.
So
I like that her voice changes.
Yeah, a lot.
Okay guys.
Okay guys. Speaking.
I put on my vlogger voice on. Okay, so I'm not at the vegan place again. I went to a different place with my friends because they wanted to get another meal. But I ended up getting this bread with potatoes and onions and black olives. I like the bread dough.
Do you eat pickles? Do I believe in ghosts? No. Do you eat pickles? Oh. No, I don't like pickles.
I also got a cinnamon scone and then this little pumpkin bread. You're like, there's just the right amount of sugar. It's really good. It's very soft too. Alright, next I'm gonna try this cinnamon scone. It's the inside of it.
We can taste it together.
It's a little dry for my liking. Okay, we just finished eating our little brunch, so now we're going to the beach. We're going to Cheonjiyeon Beach. Is it on the south side? We're on the east side. And we're at the beach. It's windy, but we're here. Okay guys, we finished at the beach. Our stuff got wet because we were spending a lot of time in the ocean, and then by the time the water came, bags were kind of going into the water. Actually, Sophia's phone is really damaged. Her speaker doesn't work. She can't charge her phone, and the back of it is cracked. So right now it's 5:20 a.m. and we're heading back to the airport. So we just have to return the car right now, and then we have to board our flight. But yeah, thanks for watching guys. See you next time.